So before we formally begin our discussion, may we feel the presence of the Lord. May I ask Ms. Fernandez to lead us in prayer. Okay, before you take your seat, kindly pick up those colored pieces of paper under your chairs and properly arrange your chairs, please. Am I audible enough?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who is your class secretary? May I know who is on who are absent today?
Answer.
That's good to hear. So before we start our discussion, I would like to remind you of our classroom rule, and would everyone read our classroom rule?
Be respectful to teachers and classmates at all times. Use kind words and listen when others are speaking. Follow directions promptly and responsibly. Raise your hands if you want to ask or answer questions. Keep your classroom clean by throwing away trash and organizing your areas.
Are we clear with the classroom rules, class?
Yes, sir.
And if you have any problems, concerns, or you need to go to the bathroom, just raise your hands. Okay, class?
Yes, sir.
And before we formally begin with our discussion, I have prepared an activity, and it is called Arrange Me. So allow me to read the instructions. The teacher will divide the class into two groups using 8 popsicle sticks, and all of the students will come in front and line up here to randomly pick 8 popsicle sticks. Yellow and orange will be the first group, and blue and green will be the second group. And the third instruction is the first group will be on the left side, and on the second group will be on the right side. Each group will receive an envelope containing pictures and jumbled letters, and they will arrange the letters accordingly, and they will only have 5 minutes to do the activity and place it on the board and present. Is the instruction clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may now form your line and so you may now use your popsicle stick. Okay, the yellow and orange will stay right here, and the blue and green will stay here. Move white in class. So who got the yellow and orange, you will stay here, and who got the blue and green, you will stay here, and you may take your seat. So I will give you your envelope. For the blue one, raise your envelope and your picture, and for your pictures, the picture. So you will arrange the double letters, class. group 1 is done. Let's switch for group 2. Okay, group 3 is also done. So we will go back later to see if your answer on this activity is correct. Based on these pictures of the activity we did earlier, so what do you think could be our topic today? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Beacon. What could be our topic today? That's right. Today, our topic will be focusing on the natural resources. So, before we delve ourselves to what is the natural resources, let me present our learning objectives. And at the end of the discussion, students are expected to identify the different natural resources as renewable or non-renewable. And the second objective is to appreciate the importance of conserving natural resources during class discussion. And lastly, is to present the different types of natural resources by creating slogan, composing poem, and a column chart. So we can now proceed with our topic, which is natural resources. In your own idea, what do you think, or what is not a natural resource? Just look up here.
These natural resources are created by nature.
Yes, Miss Abner is correct. So can we give him a clap or 2 claps? So the natural resources are the materials created in nature that are used and usable by humans, and they include natural substances like soil, water, and energy supplies like coal and gas that serve to satisfy the human needs. And once I have pictures here, and you will identify if it is a natural resource or not. So I have here the 2 pictures. So could you guess where is the natural resource based from these 2 pictures? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Vida. Where is the natural resource?
The natural resource is the land one, and the non-natural resource is the earth.
That's right. So can is Miss Corina Vidal correct? And she is correct. So can we give her also a 5 claps? So gold is considered to be a natural resource because it is not a man-made, unlike the plastic, which is a synthetic material made by humans. So, do you want another example, class?
Yes, sir.
And we have another here, a pictures, and you will guess whether it is a natural resource or not. So, who would want to tell where is the natural resource and not a natural resource? Yes, Miss Victor.
The
Yes, like what I said earlier, that a natural resource is made through nature and it is not made by humans. Like for example, money is a synthetic material that also a man-made. And natural resources are classified into different ways. A commonly used classification of natural resources is according to their exhaustibility and regenerative power. When we say exhaustibility, it is how fast we consume a certain material, and regenerative power is how fast it is to replenish. And natural resources is differentiated from renewable and non-renewable resources. So what is the renewable resources? Anyone from the group who wants to read what is the renewable resource? Yes, please unmute.
Renewable resources is natural resources that can be replenished over time, making it sustainable to continued use without the risk of permanent depletion.
So renewable resources for the production of energy are considered especially important for their potential to replace non-renewable or finite resources. So I have here another pictures. And you could identify whether it is a renewable or renewable, where is the renewable resources. So I have here a platinum also. What do you think, or can you tell where is the renewable resources? Yes, Ms. Pizarro, where is the renewable resources? If Ms. Pizarro correct, let us see if she is correct. So she is correct. The plant is a renewable resource. And why do you think plant is a renewable resource? Do you have any idea? Miss Corina, do you have any idea why plant is considered as a renewable resource?
Because you can replant this seed, and for that it is renewable.
Yes, she is right. Very good. Can we also give 5 plus to Miss Corina? Plants are considered a renewable resource because they can be naturally replenished and regrown relatively quickly through processes like photosynthesis, seed dispersal, as mentioned by Ms. Vidal, and or cultivation. Do you want another example, class?
Yes, sir.
We have another example, a windmill and a car. Which of these two is a natural or renewable resource? Anyone from the class? Yes, Ms. Fernandez.
Renewable resources for the choices is windmills.
Do you think Ms. Vidal, Ms. Fernandez is correct?
Yes, sir.
Let us see if she is correct. So, the renewable resource is the windmill. Wind energy is the power generated by converting the kinetic energy of moving air into usable electricity or mechanical energy. It is a clean, renewable, and sustainable source of energy that harnesses natural atmospheric movement. So, before we proceed with the next classification of a natural resource, are we clear with what is a renewable resource class?
Yes.
So we will now proceed with the next classification, which is a non-renewable resources. So non-renewable resources come directly from the earth, and this can be directly from the ground or a mine. The reserve of the substance took billions of years to form, and it will take billions of years to replace the supply used. As such, the supplies of the renewable resources are finite and cannot be replaced. So is gold considered to be a non-renewable resource?
Yes.
So what is the reasoning behind that? Anyone from the class? So reason out why did you say that A gold is a considered non-renewable resource. Yes, Miss Andres, you are raising your hand.
Gold is a non-renewable resource because it can only be used once and cannot be used after the mold. So, transform into a metal.
Yes, Miss Andres is correct. So can we give also a round of applause for Miss Andres? And I have here another example. So do you want to see another example of the renewable resources class?
Yes, sir.
So a crude oil and a solar energy, both of them are considered natural resource, but you will identify which is the non-renewable resource. So anyone on the left? Yes, Mr. Aguilar, you are raising your hand. Crude oil is Miss Aguilar or Mr. Aguilar is correct?
Yes, sir.
So he is correct. So can we give him also a round of applause class? So crude oil is considered as a renewable resource because it takes millions of years to form naturally from the remains of ancient plant and marine organisms. So since for the gold, it takes time to replenish and when humans consume it, it does not regenerate that easily. And here are the other examples of non-renewable resources. So what do you think is the importance of conserving our natural resource? Do you have any idea, class? Yes, Miss Vida, you are raising your hand. What could be the importance of conserving our natural resources?
It's important to conserve the natural resources because it is where mostly our materials will become. So conserving them will prepare for the future.
Very good. Miss Corina, any other hand? Anyone to try? What is the importance of conserving our natural resources? Yes, Miss Amir?
By saving our resources today, we can make sure that the future generation will have enough natural resources like, for example, water, soil, and plants.
Very good, Miss Amir. Can you also give her a round of applause? So the importance, aside from Miss Amir's answer, is to help the earth clean and healthy by reducing pollution and preventing damage to ecosystem. And as Miss Amir said earlier, is to support sustainable development. And last is to conservation helps preserve plants, animals, and promotes maintaining a biodiversity. Are we clear with what is a natural resources and its type class before we proceed with our activity?
Yes, sir.
So we will now proceed with our activity, and this is called the mystery map. And the instructions are, can we or would you please read our instruction class?
The class will be divided into three groups. The class will be a sticker inside the hat. A pencil crayon and white stickers will be inside the hat. Each student will randomly pick a sticker. If they happen to pick the pencil sticker, they will make a poem that reflects the importance of conserving natural resources. For the crayon, they will create a spot promoting awareness of natural resources. And lastly, the microphone stickers will make a simple song to explain the different types of natural resources.
I know that you are tired with singing, so we change the singing by making a column chart instead on the different types of natural resources. And you may now pick your sticker. And who got the pencil? Will be people. And who got the microphone? We will create a long chart. Before I give you the instructional material, here is the rubric, and allow me to read for the rubric for slogan. Criteria: craftsmanship, creativity, originality, and grammar. For the poetry rubric, the criteria is form, word usage, poetic techniques, language, convention, effort, and illustration. And lastly, for the column chart, the criteria is organization, content, and presentation. So, who got the column chart? Release your material. And who got the slogan activity? Quality class. And who got the home? We don't create home. Keep quiet, class. Here is extra pen for Smart. Are you done, class? We will only now have 2 minutes before you proceed. So, wrap your activities.
Yes, sir. Who will present first, sir?
Later you will fix it, and before when you're done, you can go back to your proper seat, and we will present just pick for group. Time's up, finish group 2. You go up to your proper seat, and let's start the presentation of the different group 2. You will start doing your activities, and let's have the group 1 present their group.
Good afternoon, everyone. So this is the word of renewable. Natural resources have two different types, which is the renewable and non-renewable resources. Unrenewable resources is the natural resources that can be replenished over time. Example is the plant, the air, the water, and the sunlight. While the non-renewable resources come directly from earth, and it can be from the ground or a mine. For example, is gold, the oil, silver, copper, and gold. That's it for our
Very good. Why don't we give them a round of applause? And from the group to present their work. Thank you, group. Can we give also a round of applause? And that's for the group B. We will now
forever bright, turning darkness into light. Flowing rivers, ocean waves, power the world in endless space. Oil and coal in the underground, once abundant, now less found. Burning fast, their time is brief, leaving scars beyond beliefs. Choose the path where green prevails, harness nature, ride the sails. Renew the earth and forests grow, for the future past and the kindness flow.
thank you, group 3. Can we give them also a round of applause? So, are we now here with what is a natural resource and the two classification of natural resources class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since the girl already knowledgeable with our lesson, so we will now have a question and answer portion. So, the first question, I will give rewards later on for the person or student who can answer my question. The first question is, what are natural resources? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Salvador?
Natural resources are the resources that are found in the environment.
Excellent, Miss Salvador. Can we give her 5 class? And for the second question, what are the 2 types of natural resources? I will give this to Miss Vidal because she's excited to answer.
Okay, the dollars of natural resources is renewable and non-renewable.
Is Miss Vidal correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Miss Vidal. Can we give also 5 class for Miss Vidal? And for the third question, are you ready, class?
Yes.
So the third question is to give at least one example of renewable resources. Miss Pizarro, you can now answer.
An example of renewable resources is water.
Water is a renewable resources. She is correct. Can we give her also 5 class? And for the fourth question, give the definition of non-renewable resources. Who wants to try? Mr. Agadan, what is non-renewable resources?
Non-renewable resources is a type of resource that cannot be replenished. Cannot be replenished in
Do you want to help Mr. Agadan? Yes, Ms. Salvador. Thank you, Mr. Agadan, for trying your best, and Ms. Salvador will help you.
Non-renewable resources is a natural substance that are not replenished over time.
Very good, Ms. Salvador. Can we give her also a side clap? And for the last question, what is the importance of conserving our natural resources? Bicol, you are raising your hand.
Like our slogans, are protecting our nature or our natural resources and it preserve our future.
Very good, Miss Bicol. Can we give her also 5 class? And that will be all for the questioning, and we will now proceed with evaluation. Bring out one sheet of paper. And for your assignment, what is an ecosystem and what are its main components? Describe the roles of living and non-living things within an ecosystem and explain what ecosystems are vital for the environment and human life. So thank you very much, class, for actively participating and listening with our discussion. Can we give also yourselves for participating? Apply it also.